Did you know that playing games can enhance your cognitive and extrasensory perception abilities? Let's explore the fascinating world of brainwave games. These innovative games are designed to stimulate brain activity, improving memory, concentration, and even intuition. By employing neurofeedback technology, they monitor brainwaves, giving real-time feedback to the player. Imagine a game where your focus can actually influence the outcome. Studies suggest that such games not only boost cognitive skills, but also tap into dormant ESP abilities. People report experiencing sharper instincts and heightened decision-making skills. So, next time you reach for traditional brain teasers, consider trying a brainwave game. Unlocking your mind's full potential might just be a game away. Explore, play, and see the remarkable transformation in your cognitive and intuitive faculties.